Good afternoon, good morning, depends on when you're watching this video. I'm Brandon.
I'm Sheila.
We're the Freelands and GODventures, and we wanted to show you a little bit of the update that we did to our 1987 Vogue 40 foot. So I searched and I looked online trying to find bulbs that would fit into these little sockets that were running off 12 volt. Most every one of them that you find, they run off 110, and if you find them that do run off 12 volt, then they're like 100 watt, 150 watt, which is way more than what we need for these accent lights. Is pretty much all they are. We have them over the desk in the back bedroom, and we have them in the bathroom. So after 4 years of being in the Ark, we finally found these bulbs, and we're going to do something about this horrid lighting situation. The old ones were orange and they didn't give out good light, they suck power. So we're going to try these out, and to do so, we just unscrew the old bulbs and put the new bulbs in. And the difference was amazing. These were nice white daylight type bulbs, and in comparison, the old ones used 40 watts of power, and these new ones used like 3 watts of power. That's a huge difference, a huge saving. When we flipped the old ones on, you could see it actually drawing down the battery the longer you left it on, and the kids would sometimes leave the lights on. So after installing these new bulbs, we found out real quick they are just too bright, and we just had to unscrew a couple of them or we'd be blinded when we were in the bathroom or anywhere else in the back bedroom. They were just too bright. So Sheila, my brilliant wife, had the idea to take the old ashtrays and frost them. And I wasn't aware that you could even do this, but she was, so she got the spray to do that. Now these fixtures were pretty easy to take off. We just take some pliers, or you can just twist the glass back and forth, and there's a little nut inside that holds the glass up to the metal part, and it just screws off pretty easily. There's a couple that were a little stuck, but it worked pretty well regardless. We tried them out and they worked amazingly, and they're not as blinding, and we're still using a minimal amount of power compared to what we was using with the old type bulbs, and they look great. It's a great accent. Now we don't want to get rid of our ashtrays. We like our ashtrays, and they look wonderful, and they still have that vintage feel. Now if you're in the same situation as us and you have the old fixtures with that type of bulb, drop us a line, send us a message or comment on this video, and I'll get back in touch with you, and I'll send you a link where you can get these new ones that do amazingly. Okay, so that's it. It's pretty simple. Turned out great. It looks amazing. Can't believe we've lived in the Ark so long without doing that. It's an easy fix. But if you like the video, please like and share and follow us, subscribe, and all that other stuff that we're supposed to say at the end of the videos. So until we see you again, God bless and GODventures. Bye.